today with Rachel O'Neill from the Holiday Coast Credit Union. I've known Rachel forever. We worked together a few years ago, Rachel, maybe
a while ago now.
92. So we worked together for Westpac back in 92. So she's got a solid background in the local area, and probably one of the most approachable people you'll ever meet. So welcome to Stew's News.
Thank you.
So what we thought with Stew's News today is actually talk about the credit crunch, what's happened with banking, and how to position yourself to get a loan when you are looking to buy. And no better person in town to talk to than Rachel. So what's actually going on? Everyone hears about the Banking Royal Commission and things like that. What's sort of been the downside or the changes from there?
I guess the Royal Commission's main aim was just to cool the market down.
It's pretty hot.
Yeah.
Sydney prices doubled, like everything went crazy.
Yeah, that's right. And it was basically, especially interest only, has changed because the banks only have so much on their books interest only, because it was once again aimed to cool the market down in that space. You don't want to owe more than you own, so that was the aim of that.
And that's a good thing.
Yeah.
I think that's in the long term. Paying off some of your principal will give you a better retirement fund, or you've got more money in the bank for the future.
Well, you've got equity in your property,
yeah,
paying principal and interest, of course, at the end of the day.
Yeah. And the downside is the banks have made it certainly a little bit more. Well, the banks haven't made it. The regulations made it harder to borrow.
Yeah, pretty much so. They've tightened up, basically looking at more of your living expenses as well.
Yeah.
Everything you spend.
Yeah.
Before it was sort of not so much looked at, well, always looked at, but more stringently now.
Yeah.
Always looked at your income minus your debts or outgoes, but also that living expense is the one that's really sort of come into play.
So probably go through your bank statement a little bit more, see what's going on.
Your borrowing capacity is basically income minus your debts, and living expenses your borrowing capacity. So if you're someone who's got car loans, credit cards and things like that, the more you can get rid of those or pay them down, you're looking for a home loan, the more you've got available to borrow.
So if I was thinking of borrowing for a house tomorrow, what would you recommend we did?
I would recommend you come have a chat to me.
Yep.
And look at your circumstances.
So well before you find the house, work out where you're at.
Yeah, because you need to look at what your income is and what your lending capacity is. So there's no point looking at a $600,000 house when your income and outgo and lending capacity is a $400,000 house.
So even if you could afford that $600,000 house, you still need to get that bank account in order and make sure you've got a history that you could actually make that repayment.
That's right. You've got to show that you've got a savings pattern. You just can't walk in with a balance with zero and expect a lender to go, well, where's the evidence that you can put money aside that you don't need?
Yeah.
So you do need a good savings pattern.
Say you've sort of said, righto, let's get a plan in place. 6 months later, I find that perfect home. How long does it sort of take to get an approval?
Oh, look, pretty quickly. Best thing is to come and talk to your lender, and then they can give you the document list that you need to produce for us.
Yeah.
As soon as you produce it on our desk, we can do an application. I can have it up one day and approve the next.
Yeah.
The biggest thing is you getting that documentation.
You've got to bring in 100%, not 98%.
That's correct.
Yeah,
the more you sort of lag on bringing that in, well, the longer it's going to take, because we can't start the application until it's all in together.
And then say I was going to borrow for $400,000 loan.
Yep.
What do you reckon the repayments are on that?
You're looking roughly around $500 a week.
Yeah.
And if $400,000 loan, you're looking at roughly a $500,000 property with their 20% deposit in there. Don't forget you've got stamp duty and legal costs.
First home buyers are exempt from
stamp
duty, which is good, and they get a bonus as well. So
if they build, they get a bonus of that $10,000.
$10,000, yeah. Plan ahead. Get rid of the debt.
Yep.
No, save.
Yes.
Show a history.
Yep.
And that'll, help with you guys lending them the money.
Definitely. It certainly makes it really easy for us if someone's got that plan in place and they've got a goal set for sure. But talk to us first if you're sort of looking down that track. We can certainly help you in the right
And it doesn't cost to come in and have a chat.
No. Love to see your face.
Yeah. Thanks, Rach. That was amazing. And if you want to know anything about banking, come and talk to Rachel at Holiday Coast Credit Union. Dan as well. He can help you as well. These guys are amazing, great to chat to, and a good local business. Thanks for tuning in to Stew's News. We really appreciate your support and feedback. Till next month, chat to you soon.